Did you know iced coffee sales can double or even triple during hot summer weeks? If you've ever wanted a refreshing iced coffee fast without waiting hours for it to cool or ending up with a watered-down drink, this 1-minute hack is exactly what you need. Welcome to Tea and Coffee Explorers, where today you'll learn how to make perfectly chilled, rich iced coffee in just 1 minute, elevating your summer beverage game with a simple, quick method anyone can try. Most iced coffee recipes require waiting for coffee to cool or pouring hot coffee over ice, often resulting in a diluted, weak flavor. Waiting isn't always an option when the temperature's rising, and a watered-down drink just doesn't hit the spot. Here's what you'll need for the 1-minute iced coffee hack: strong brewed coffee or espresso, ice cubes, milk or a plant-based alternative if desired, sweetener or flavored syrup, and a shaker or jar with a lid. Start by pouring strong hot coffee. Fill the shaker halfway with ice cubes. Add the coffee directly over the ice. Add milk and sweetener if preferred. Seal and shake vigorously for 10 to 15 seconds. Then pour over fresh ice in a glass. Pro tip: use coffee ice cubes to keep your drink strong without dilution. And if you loved our previous video on mixing cocoa and coffee, try adding a dash of cocoa syrup for a delicious mocha twist. The result is a perfectly chilled, rich iced coffee with no watered-down flavor, ready in just 1 minute. The shaking creates a frothy texture and chills the coffee instantly, making every sip refreshing and bold. To recap: brew strong coffee, shake it with ice and your favorite add-ins, then pour over fresh ice. It's that simple and fast. This hack is a game changer for summer coffee lovers and a perfect base for creative flavors. What's your favorite iced coffee flavor? Share your ideas in the comments. Want more quick coffee hacks and recipes? Subscribe to Tea and Coffee Explorers and join us on this delicious journey. If you loved our last episode on mixing cocoa and coffee, you'll want to try this hack with a chocolate twist. The 1-minute iced coffee is the perfect canvas for all your flavor experiments.